Now we'll discuss about how to write advantages and disadvantages essays. Like the structure is like in introduction we give background, introduce the issue, paraphrase the advantages and disadvantages. Like we may say it has both pros and cons, and I shall explain them. Body paragraph one has a topic sentence like merits of so and so thing are apparent like this. Advantages we discuss, example, purpose, result, this logic we may use. Body paragraph 2 will have disadvantages 2 to 3. Advantages also we write 2 to 3. Topic sentence that there are certain demerits. Disadvantages, example, purpose, result. This is what we'll write. Conclusion, analyze advantages and disadvantages and take final stand. Now let us see. Here we have taken one essay. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of increasing tourism. Now this is again you can see is advantage disadvantage kind of essay. See the introduction. As some historian has said, if one does not travel, he has read only one page of the book. Today, as the cost of travel decreases due to advancements in technology and efficient means of transport, more people are traveling, whether intranation or international. Along with the increase in travel comes some great advantages and certain limitations. So it introduces the topic like why tourism is increasing and how it has both advantages and disadvantages. The words which are used along with the increase in travel come some great advantages and certain limitations. Now, body paragraph 1, merits of growth in tourism are apparent. Firstly, as more people travel to a destination, the economy of the destination gets a boost. Right, this is the first idea. Then see supporting and extending the idea. The spending by the tourists at the location results in creation in infrastructure related to travel industry and enhanced collection of taxes for the local government. Creation in or creation of infrastructure also is fine. In addition, second benefit, as more and more people travel to a destination, the economy of that destination gets a boost. The spending by tourists at the location results in creation of this is I think just repeated. So this particular paragraph is just a repetition. So we'll repeat this. As the infrastructure and demand for services, yeah, as the infrastructure improves, like we can write the word as the infrastructure improves, as the infrastructure improves and demand for services increases, it leads to job creation in the local community. The employment creation helps to stop the migration of the local population to other places, whether within the country or abroad. So as you can see now here two advantages are discussed. I will write them as A1 and A2. This is advantage 1 and this is advantage 2 is discussed with example. Now if we take negative side, however, apart from the economic benefits that are associated with the travel, it comes with certain limitations. For one thing, with the influx of tourists, there is a possibility that it might affect the local culture and tradition. First idea, an example could be the Indian state of Goa. Some districts of Goa today appear more European than local Goan. So this is like disadvantage 1. I will write as D1. D2. Another very important drawback of travel is the proliferation of vices like prostitution, drugs, and gambling. It is common knowledge that drugs flow freely at the most favored tourist destinations. Human trafficking for prostitution is also the bane of means curse of travel destinations. An example is Thailand, which is unofficially promoted as a sex tourism destination. So here, as you can see, this is a disadvantage number 2. And then this is the conclusion I'll write as C. However, in my opinion, if we are able to check the disadvantages of travel and apply the laws more rigidly, travel should be promoted, and especially international travel. International travel can also help in promoting world understanding and tolerance. So this is how the conclusion is written, right? That if we are able to check the disadvantages and apply the laws more rigidly, travel should be promoted, and especially international travel. International travel can also help in promoting world understanding and tolerance. So two advantages are discussed, two disadvantages are discussed, and in the conclusion, the final stand is taken. This is how you write advantage and disadvantage kind of